Welcome to the annual Energy Efficiency Smartphone Awards 2025. We're asking which flagship device truly saves you money on electricity. Today's smartphones are powerful mini computers. As performance increases and electricity tariffs rise, energy efficiency is becoming a premium feature, making the hidden energy drain a critical concern. We are measuring three key areas: standby drain, video efficiency, and charging loss. These determine how much energy is wasted while idle, streaming, and charging. The 2025 nominees are the iPhone 16 Pro Max, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the Pixel 9 Pro, and the OnePlus 12. Each one brings a unique strength to the table. In standby, the iPhone 16 Pro Max leads with the lowest 8-hour drain at 0.8%. Its tight integration allows the A18 Pro chip to sip power efficiently in a deep sleep state. For video playback efficiency, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is again the leader, consuming only 0.22 watt-hours per hour. This indicates superior hardware-software optimization for media consumption. The OnePlus 12 boasts an impressive 27-minute 0 to 100% charge time with 100W charging. However, this speed results in higher heat generation and an energy efficiency of only 74%. When we look at the charging efficiency scorecard, faster charging often correlates with lower energy efficiency due to resistive heating. Apple's 27-watt charging is the most efficient at 85%. The annual electricity cost breakdown, based on one full charge per day, shows the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the cheapest to run at 73 rupees, while the OnePlus 12 costs 124 rupees and 10 paise. In the 2025 Efficiency Awards, the iPhone 16 Pro Max won both Standby King and Streaming Pro. The Galaxy S24 Ultra won Charging Champ for its best balance of speed and thermals. Comparing the best and worst, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the efficiency leader, with a high 85% wall-to-battery ratio. The OnePlus 12 is the performance-heavy device, with high heat loss during charging. For you, this means chipset efficiency is more critical than raw battery size. Heat is waste, and software, like aggressive background task management in iOS, truly matters for saving energy. To reduce your costs, avoid ultra-fast charging daily, tweak the always-on display to save up to 15% of energy, and always use certified charging gear for optimal efficiency.